The success of your business on the internet depends on the quality of your website and the quality of the visitors who find you. Without a quality website, your business won't be trusted. Without quality visitors, your website won't produce new business. The best way to get quality visitors to your website is through the search engines. However, high rankings in major search engines will not automatically guarantee you an increase in sales. Your website needs to be user-friendly and have tools in place to maximize conversions. We believe that only two things really matter with an online business or presence: traffic and conversion. We focus all of our expertise in these two vital areas. Why? Because you can have the best website in the world, but if nobody can find it, your business is not going to be successful. And even if you do have all the website traffic you want, if your site is not properly converting those visitors into leads, customers, clients, subscribers, or fans, then your business is still not successful. Why should you have an SEO company design your website? Because Google's algorithm is all about ranking websites based on their quality. Yes, your organic rankings are impacted by the quality of your website. Think about it from Google's perspective. In order to be successful and survive as a search engine, they must serve up only the highest quality results possible for their users. Our team has identified 32 crucial web design elements that directly contribute to top rankings. We have spent years studying Google ranking patterns and have analyzed hundreds of websites that sustain their organic SEO traffic through all the dramatic Google updates. Our exhaustive research concludes that there are in fact very specific criteria that Google is looking for when scoring a website. What we see in our analysis is that websites missing any one of these elements drop in the rankings and do not sustain their traffic. For that reason, every website we build for our clients includes these vital SEO features. But that is not all. We can increase your website's performance with our 47 proven conversion optimizers. Again, it's not enough to have lots of visitors and traffic. You must create conversions on your website, or your online business venture will fail. We often have clients come to us who already have hundreds and thousands of visitors, but none of them are calling, buying, or signing up for anything. Sound familiar? One of our clients received a 381% increase in sales after we incorporated only half of our proven methods. Every one of our web design projects is customized with our proven conversion tricks. We are more than just a traffic generation company. We have identified hundreds of elements that can increase conversion depending on the type of website. We have tested and proven 47 specific conversion increasers that always work regardless of the industry or market. Is partnering with us for your web design project starting to make sense? Get a customized website designed to your business needs that includes our SEO and conversion features. Because every industry is unique, every website needs to be unique. We do not believe template websites are good for businesses or users, so we do everything custom. Our team will work with you directly to accomplish a specific website look and feel designed specifically for your industry and audience. There are 6 phases to every development project we do, and each phase involves your feedback and approval. Every step of the way, we make sure you are happy with the direction we are going. We believe in incorporating your feedback and also your knowledge and understanding of your business and market. Our constant communication with you will allow us to provide you with a powerful website presence that pleases both you and your customers. Our design professionals build all kinds of sites: microsites, professional and executive company sites, content management solutions, lead generation, blogs, forums, social networks, shopping comparison, social bookmarking, Web 2.0, membership, e-commerce and shopping sites, enterprise sites, you name it, we can code it. Our team represents several different backgrounds. We have SEO experts, MBAs, engineers, and systems operations specialists, to name a few. Because of such diversity, our clients benefit from decades of digital marketing wisdom and technical mastery. We strive to be more than a full-service SEO and web design company. With our dedication to our clients comes unwavering commitment to expanding our knowledge and experience, which allows us to continue being such a powerful resource to so many businesses, big and small. We continue to develop a wide range of high-quality solutions for many different ventures. Will yours be next? Contact us today to receive a free consultation with one of our web design professionals. What are you waiting for? Get started today. We will help you to find your needs and guide you to the best plan for your situation. If you're ready to take control of your success and dominate your online space, give us a call right now or use a contact form on our website, and a dedicated team member will get back to you at your convenience. Whatever your goals may be, we look forward to helping you reach them.